Hello, my name is Claudia Macias, student to Business Administration. Bueno, questions. Do you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? On my last trip, I didn't spend a lot of money. It was a fair amount for all the experiences I had. Do you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? On my last trip, as I did tourism, I visited the island of San Bernardo del Viento. The most interesting place on the tours has been the island of Santa Cruz del Islote. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? The most unknown food I have eaten on a trip has been crab ceviche with octopus. I must emphasize that I really like seafood. Hmm, what places have you missed to visit during your trip? When I visited San Antero, to take short time, I did not go to visit the Cispata Bay, mangroves, and coeñas. I will return so you be able to know these places. What was the most incredible activity it did on our trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity I did on my trip was swimming with another shark for a few minutes. I was able to touch and feed it. Um, Thank you.